friends. I'm a butterfly. I'm getting bored in my place. Are you guys also getting bored? Today I thought of going and roaming around. Are you guys coming and joining me? Come, we are going to have lots of fun. Let's roam around and see everywhere. Wow, friends! Look at this! It's a beautiful garden. I have never been to such a beautiful garden. There is a small lake also. Oh my God! So many people are walking around. Beautiful! Full green trees are there. Wow! Are you guys really enjoying this beautiful garden? Friends, let's go to some other garden. I'm in a very happy mood today. La 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 la. La 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 la. I love nature. Nature is so beautiful. Hi Flower. How are you? You're enjoying a cool breeze. Friends, come on. Let's go further and see what is there for us. Come friends, come. Come in this garden. Hey friends, look at this. Why these flowers are looking sad? They're so colorless. Let me ask them. Hey flower friend, why are you looking so sad? Is everything alright with you? We are sad because we have no colors. Oh, you're sad because of this. I have a friend called Rainbow. Let me go and check with him. He will surely help you people. My dear Rainbow friend, I need your help. I have some friends in the garden. They are all flowers who have no color. They are always sad. Can you please share some of your colors with them to make them happy?
Oh, my sweet butterfly friend, I have lot of colors. I'll share these colors with your friends.
Come, Rainbow friend, come. Come in this garden and see these flowers. They're so colorless and sad. Can you please spread your colors on these flowers? Oh, sure, friend, why not? Let me spread my all colors on these flowers. Wow! Wow, it's beautiful! Your flowers look so bright and colorful. I'm so happy to see you like this. Thank you, Rainbow friend. Bye-bye. Thank you, Butterfly. Thank you, Rainbow, for giving us color. Bye. So friends, did you see how my rainbow friend added colors in the flowers? Same way, you can also add colors in the life of the people who are in need. Kindness is the best form of humanity. So friends, spread love everywhere, just like my friend Rainbow. Love makes the world a beautiful place to live in.